Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best kitchen torches that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Buluri Kitchen Butane Blow Culinary Torch with adjustable flame. This cooking torch by Buluri is designed to provide you complete control over how small or large flame you need to use based on the requirements. It features a security lock that eliminates the risk of accidental ignition and prevents improper operation. Other than that, it is constructed using high-quality stainless steel and sturdy aluminum body to ensure the stability of butane gas, thus, you can use it for a long time. This culinary torch can adjust temperatures from 450 degrees Celsius to 1300 degrees C, thus, you can select different flame contingent upon your needs. In summary, this culinary torch can be used in many areas such as baking, brulee, creme, barbecue, ignition cigars and more. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Primo Chef Culinary Kitchen Hand Torch Creme Brulee Torch. Primo Chef Culinary Brulee Torch meets the needs of hobbyists to professional chefs. It features an adjustable temp control of up to 2730-degree jet flame, making it ideal for caramelizing sugars, creme brulee, roast vegetables, glaze ham, sear steak, toast or crisp any recipe, or melt cheese or chocolate. Besides that, it has a superior quality design with a reinforced ergonomic grip. This brulee torch features a high-quality butane refill tank with a simple safety lock. Using this item is very simple, giving you a great experience in your kitchen. This comes with a lifetime no-hassle warranty. When you buy it, you will love it. At number 3, we have the Primo Professional Butane Soldering Camping Cooking Torch. The Primo Culinary Cooking Torch is a must-have, a flame gun for both professional and home cooks. It features an adjustable flame size to concentrate the flame to need more or little. Similarly, it is a portable torch that is ideal for culinary school, professional, at home, camping, BBQs and more. You can use it to add wonderful texture and complex flavors of your vegetables, chicken, fish, steaks in just a few minutes. As a matter of fact, this torch is equipped with a safety button to lock the trigger. The temperatures can be adjusted up to as 1300 deg. C. If you find any problem with this cooking torch, you can return it 60 days after purchase. At number 2, we have the Interforte Micro Blow Torch Heavy Duty Flame Forte Butane Torch Gray. This ultra-compact butane torch provides the ultimate in high-scale dining, yet does not intimidate amateur cooks. It is easy to manage with as durable and strong pieces of masterwork, therefore, it will serve you for a long time. What's more, this torch can be used for plumbing, soldering, camping, outdoors, starting coal, awesome dishes and more. It can deliver a continuous frame without holding ignition button and has a handly design. One thing you will love about this butane torch is that it comes with awesome features such as removable stand, adjustable potency handle, flame lock, safety lock, adjustable temperature control, and powerful flame. Backed with a 2-year guarantee. And finally, at number 1, we have the Professional Culinary Butane Torch Kitchen Cooking. This torch makes cooking, welding and soldering almost risk-free. It is a multi-purpose kitchen torch that features a gas flow regulator that lets you to the strength of the frame. It also has a safety lock that will prevent accidental ignition. With its balanced ergonomic design, this makes this kitchen butane torch comfortable to grip and allow consistent use. Its body is made of aluminum and ABS plastic that makes it feel lightweight while offering maximum portability. You can use it to caramelize desserts, braise vegetables, or sear meat in the kitchen or when you are at outdoor. This torch is refilled with any brand of butane. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.